Install a custom CRM extension tool with email and calling software integrations in a click to make it work seamlessly with your existing CRM. With this tool, you can browse through all your leads, quickly filter them by their status, communicate with the lead over a call, email, or SMS, add some notes to keep you up to date on what's happening, and update all information right from the app. In under 10 minutes, you can connect this custom tool not only to your existing CRM, but also to your email tool, Twilio accounts, or more, to make it feature-rich and easy to use. DronaHQ not only gives you the ability to integrate across multiple systems but also gives you the power to build quick, flexible apps. This custom CRM extension is a perfect example to show you what we mean. To install this ready template, visit DronaHQ.com today.